I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am in Mussoorie today, and it's my first day and my trip has been planned by her.
By me.
Yeah, by her. And I have no clue what we are doing today. So, Kalbil, what we are doing today?
We are going today Gunhill.
Gunhill,
Then
okay. We'll start from Gunhill.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll start from Gunhill.
Then?
We'll go Tibba.
Okay.
It's a very beautiful attraction.
Okay.
And then we'll go Mall Road.
Mall Road, that's it. और कहीं नहीं.
No.
Okay. So let's see how it goes. This is our plan for today. Because you are asking me which camera am I using? I'm using GoPro 7 Black. Let's go. Luckily it was a clear sky morning, so we planned to visit Tibba first. Tibba is one of the highest points in Mussoorie, and they say you can actually see Himalayan ranges from there. So let's head in. Mall road right now. So it's my time to say goodbye and also thank you for watching till the end. I don't think I've done justice to this place. It's way more prettier in person. So do come here, visit, and also and like my video. see you soon in my next video.